Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Instagram followers on automatic pilot. Now, yesterday I gave a review of Orb. Today I bought it. And this is it in action. It takes 2 seconds to set up. Okay. All you do is you put a message in that you want to introduce yourself with. But to get the laser targeted in your niche leads. For instance, Eric Worre is a big giant in the network marketing industry. So I've chosen him. So you go to a famous person in your niche and find a comment, find a photo that has got a lot of comments. Then all you have to do is open the little app, put your message in, press go, and guess what? It follows. And so it's now following whatever his name is. Then it will send a message, but it's paused in between. So Instagram does not know it's a bot because it isn't a bot. And it's not inside the system. It's not an app. It's a secret hack. This is so cool. My Instagram is actually over here. And these are the messages that I'm sending. I've got unlimited messages per day, and I'm really excited because at the moment, let me see how many followers I've got. Does it tell me? I'm not sure how to do this. I'm not an Instagram person, but I'm so excited about this that I had to do it. I've got just over 2,000 followers. So this is on the 9th of September, 2021. Let's see in a few days or a week or so how many followers. I'm going to go on this journey and I'm going to show you my results as I get them. Okay. It's so exciting that I'm over the moon. But when you buy Orb with me, you will get an exclusive bonus of Accelerate. The lovely Jake, he's actually co-made this product called Orb, has told me he's going to give you, who buy off me, the whole funnel of Accelerate. That's how to leverage free traffic to make high commissions. Okay, it's a secret conversion system. You can steal 20 done for you campaigns. It's the whole funnel, the done for you funnel and the license rights. Come on guys, it's worth at least $300. Then exclusive bonus number 2. If you haven't heard of Rapid Profit Machine, you've been under a rock somewhere. This is worth over $1,000, and this is free because it's total. It's like a whole boot camp and it's free. Anything that you want to know about affiliate marketing, solo ads, paid traffic, organic traffic, live trainings with the top affiliate in this certain company. Amazing. But not only do you get this, you also, inside Orb, you get a review site like this one. All you have to do is put your ClickBank ID in once, and guess what? Click here on any of these. Your ClickBank ID will come up here, and whoever buys any of these products from that certain website, you'll get commission. This is just amazing, guys. I am so excited about this that I can't believe my luck that I found it. Jake just contacted me on Monday. I didn't see the message till Tuesday. I tested this product on Tuesday and bought it the minute it came out. And I'm now trying it and I'm sharing my honest results with you. So watch this space, leave a comment below if you liked it. Try this out, guys. It's amazing. It's an amazing product. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting reviews like this one. Bye, guys.